I'd like to do one more for you, which I just wrote the other day. It's a very new tune. I was thinking about something that happened in my hometown of Birmingham, Alabama, when I was 6 years old. The year was 1963, and the 16th Street Baptist Church was bombed by some Ku Klux Klansmen, and it was, as many of you probably are aware, a key moment in the U.S. Civil Rights movement. A lot of people had to wake up at that point. 4 little girls were killed. It was just an incredible tragedy. The perpetrators were never brought to justice for another 20 or 30 years. One of them died an old man without ever going to jail. The other 3 of them were finally caught, and, well, people knew who they were for a long-ass time, but the FBI didn't release yeah, it's just a fucked up story all around. So anyway, this song is called "What Was That Sound I Heard?" It's about the event. What was that sound I heard? What was that sound I heard? What was that sound I heard? Down in Birmingham, it sounded like an explosion. It sounded like an explosion. Sounding like an explosion down in Birmingham. Some Ku Klux Klansmen planted a bomb. Some Ku Klux Klansmen planted a bomb. Some Ku Klux Klansmen planted a bomb down in Birmingham. At the 16th Street Baptist Church, at the 16th Street Baptist Church, at the 16th Street Baptist Church down in Birmingham. 4 little guys were murdered there. 4 little girls were murdered there. 4 little girls were murdered there down in Birmingham. No local politicians attended their funerals. No local politicians attended the funerals. No local politicians attended their funerals down in Birmingham. People, we must never forget. We must never forget. We must never forget what happened down in Birmingham. Don't you think for a moment it could happen again? Don't you think for a moment it could happen again? Don't you think for a moment it could happen again? Down in Birmingham or anywhere else in this land.